Eureka 2015 at Achiates. I'm here with the boys. We've got Moshe Tawil from ICT, Joe from Where's Marcel, George from Inner Rush Group, customer of DeBella Coffees, Philip DeBella from DeBella Coffee, we've got Ali, Chino from Pan American, Rigo and Alex all the way from Melbourne, Australia here, the consumer, bringing it right through from crop to cup. We're here at Achiates, going to cup some fantastic micro lots and natural coffees to bring back to you guys in Australia.